Hello, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys what you need to start your own YouTube channel. So, the first thing that you're going to need to start your own YouTube channel is you're going to need a Google account. So something like Gmail. That's going to help you an awful lot on account of the fact that we're using YouTube, which is part of Google, and anything that matches Gmail, that kind of thing, is going to make it easier to receive your emails and just work from it. Because all you have to do is click on the little YouTube icon and sign in that way, and you'll have your own channel. So basically you're going to need, for the first thing, you're going to need a Google account. That's it. So the second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a way to make videos. So obviously that could be simply a laptop, it could be a computer and a webcam, it could be a little microphone and an editor of sort of thing. What I use is I use my Samsung S7. I've got a little Booyah lavalier mic and a little tripod, which I got for like £8 on eBay, something like that. Somewhat cheap, but that's what I use, and I edit all my things on my phone, and sometimes I'll make screencasts using the YouTube gaming app. So obviously these are ways in which you can use to make videos. Obviously you're going to need to make videos to be on YouTube, well, to do and get further. So that's the second thing. So the third thing that you're going to need to make a YouTube channel is you're going to need a schedule. Now that doesn't have to be one video every day. It can be as little as one a month, maybe one every 2 weeks, or which is probably best, and which is the way I do it, is probably either one a week or a couple of weeks. But I always consistently put a video out on a Saturday. That allows people who might like your channel to go, right, well, it's Saturday, let's check out this channel, and I'm pretty sure he's got a video. Oh, yeah, yes he has, cool. And that's how you get people to watch videos, so you're going to need a schedule of which to release videos on. So the fourth thing that you're going to need in order to create a YouTube video is you're going to need a mission, a goal, or an end game thing. So with mine, my channel's Wargamernick, you probably already know, and I aim to make videos to either help people save money, play better, or just entertain them with battle reports and things like that. So as long as the videos that you create are usually around that, you're probably going to have a consistent, basically you're targeting specific viewers. So obviously in my case, often it's people who don't want to spend as much money, which is basically myself. And I make videos aimed at those people who might want to be entertained, people who might want to play better for less money, that kind of thing in the hobby. So obviously that's part of it. So the fourth thing is the mission. It's what's going to keep people watching all of your videos rather than just one. Yeah. So the fifth thing that you're going to need to make a YouTube channel, rather unsurprisingly, is content. You're going to have to start making videos. Now you don't have to wait until you're perfect. So a lot of people hold off making YouTube channels because they think, oh, well, I haven't got the right, I haven't got the lighting, I haven't got the camera. You can make a video as simple as you want it to. And if the content, if the information given on that video is good enough, you will be out there and you will get views, and you'll get traction. You'll get likes, dislikes, which are all part and parcel of it. But in order to actually start a YouTube channel, you have to start making videos. You can make videos before you even start your Google account. You know, have a little bit of play. If you've never been on a camera before, just crack on. You know, have a little look, watch it back, go, well, I really hated the way I spoke then. It might be part of your charm. I make a lot of mistakes often, but I usually don't edit them out, or if I keep them. So principally, the fifth and final tip on how to start a YouTube channel is to actually crack on and make some videos. So we're going to end it there, guys. If you've got any thoughts, let me know down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down as ever, and if you haven't already and you feel like watching, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell button in, and you'll see more videos of mine. Thank you.